Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to merge Excel sheet, how you can merge multiple Excel sheet in one. Okay, so let's start with the video. Here you can see I have Excel which is January, February, March, and I have another Excel which I'm going to merge, which is I just name it its result. So first we have to open all Excel. Okay, you have to open all those Excel which you want to merge and the Excel where you want to result. So you have to open all Excel. So here you can see I have already opened all Excel. Okay, so first, okay, so I need to result. I did not open. I will open it. Yeah, open it now. Okay, so I want to merge all three Excel here. How you can merge? So first you don't go, you need to go in data, so and go to the consolidate, and consolidate you will see like this. Okay, now you have to click on this arrow and go to the first Excel. So I'm going to Jan first and select data here and click on this down arrow again, and okay, you have to, okay, I'm select all. Now go to the add. So you can see one sheet has been added. Now again you have to delete this and go on the arrow. Now go to the second sheet which is fab and select data and add it. Okay, again select. Okay, now go to the delete, go to the another sheet which is March and select data from here, and you can add. Sorry guys, my all access has been crashed. I show you again fast again. Okay, so guys, I'm going to data again. Okay, go to concentrate, click on keep it sum, go to this arrow. Okay, now you have to go in Excel, first Excel, select just down arrow and add it. Now delete this, go to another Excel which is fab. I just add it and add again this, delete it, go this arrow again, go to the March and add it. Okay, now you have to keep your top arrow because this is a header, and if you want, if you have left arrow also, I have left arrow in which is include names. So okay, if you click on this link, create the link to source, it will be create links of every Excel. I will show you. First I'm going to show you how you can do this. Just click it. Now you can see all data has been merged here, and it is showing totaling of the all month. Okay, if you want to show links of source, go to the console charges, click on it and just click on OK. So you can see all Excel sheet link you will see here. Okay, okay. So here I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.